It's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. Features include V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. The time is now. See it for yourself today.